Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Chandan Kumar KV, studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, wearing the USN 1VE21EC 018. Today, I am going to talk about the environmental performance indicators and their evolution. What are environmental performance indicators? The environmental performance indicators are crucial for understanding the company's or organization's impact on the environment. Introduction to the environmental performance indicators. What are they? The environmental performance indicators, also known as EPIs, are the metrics that measures the environmental impact of an organization's activity. Why are they important? The EPIs help to track the progress and identify the areas for the improvement and demonstrate the environmental responsibility. What do they measure? The EPIs measure various aspects of an organization's environmental footprints, including the water usage, energy consumption, and the waste generation. What are its benefits? The EPIs can help to enhance the efficiency, reduce the cost, improve the environmental performance, and hence the organization's reputation. Here is a graph of an example in which a company is taken as an example of water and event and the benefits gained by it. Importance of measuring the environmental performance. Accountability and transparency. The EPIs provide the stakeholders with clear information about the organization's environmental performance, fostering the accountability and transparency. Strategic decision making. Measuring the environmental performance enables the organization to make the informed decision about the resource allocation, operational efficiency, and environmental risk management. Continuous improvements. The EPIs help the organization to identify the areas for improvements, set goals, and track the progress towards the environmental sustainability. Categories of environmental performance of indicators. Let us discuss about various types of distributions. Water usage, water consumptions per unit of production, water recycling rates, and water pollution levels. Energy consumption, energy uses per unit of output, renewable energy resources, and energy efficiency improvements. Waste generation, total waste generated, recycling the rates, and waste diversion methods. Greenhouse gases, emission of the intensity, carbon footprints, and emission reduction in these strategies. Water usage and its efficiency indicators. Water consumptions per unit measures the amount of water used for each unit of production or service. Water recycling rates indicates the percentage of wastewater that is treated and reused. Water leakage rates quantifies the amount of water lost due to the leakage distribution system. Energy consumption and renewable energy indicators. An energy consumption and renewable energy indicator is typically a tool or metric used to measure and visualize how much energy is consumed and how much of the energy is sourced from the renewable resources like solar, wind, hydro, or geothermal power. Here is a breakdown of the components. Energy consumption measures the total energy used by the system, building, or region, often expressed in kilowatt hours. Applications monitoring the household, industrial, or national energy usage. Renewable energy contribution tracks the proportion of energy coming from the renewable sources. Percentage of the total energy from the renewables. Carbon saving compared to the non-renewable energy sources. Common tools and systems. Smart meters track and report the energy usage in the real time. IoT devices provides a granular data for efficient management. Global and local examples. Renewable energy indicators shares of the renewable in the electrical generation. National targets for the renewable integration. Energy efficiency rating indicates how efficiently the energy is used in the applications or buildings. Benefits of these indicators encourages the energy efficiency, supports the environmental goals by promoting the renewable energy adoption, provides the accountable data for individual businesses and governments. Waste generation and recycling indicators measures the total waste produced and proportion that is recycled, promoting the sustainable waste management. Waste generation is typically tracked in kilograms or tons and categorized into types like municipal, industrial, or hazardous waste. Recycling the indicators evaluates the percentage of waste delivered from the landfills through the recycling are often calculated as recycled waste divided by total waste into 100. These matrices, supported by the tools like smart bins, waste audits, and data dashboards, help identify the trends, improve the recycling programs, and track the progress towards the sustainable goals, such as indicators encouraging the efficient usage reduce the landfill reliance, and support the circular economy initiatives. The waste generation per unit measures the amount of waste generated for each unit of production or services. So, recycling rate indicates the percentage of the waste that is recycled. Waste division rate quantifies the proportion of waste that is diverted from the landfills. Greenhouse gas emission and carbon footprints indicators. Emission intensity measures the greenhouse gas emissions per unit of production or services. Carbon footprints quantifies the total amount of greenhouse gases emitted by an organization's activity. Emissions reduction targets defines the goals of reducing the greenhouse gas emission over time. Evaluation and benchmark of the environmental performance. The performance and measurement. The EPIs are used to track the progress, assess the environmental performance, and identify the areas for improvement. Benchmarking. Comparing an organization's performance against the industry best practices or similar organization. Reporting and communication. Sharing the environmental performance data with the stakeholders through a sustainable reports, websites, and other communication channels. Implementing an environmental performance measurement system defines the goals and objective, establishes the clear environmental goals and objectives that align with the organization's overall sustainable strategy, selects the relevant indicators, chooses the EPIs and accurately measures the environmental performance and supports the organizational goals. Let us conclude. The environmental performance indicators are essential for the tools for assessing and managing the impact of the human activities and environment. They provide the quantifiable data on factors such as energy use, waste generation, water consumption, and population, enabling informed decision making to promote the sustainability. Evolution of these indicators help in identifying the trends, measures the progress towards the environmental goals, and highlights the areas of improvements. By integrating these matrices into policies and practices, organizations and government can enhance the accountability, fostering the sustainable resource management, and contribute to the global efforts to migrate the environmental challenges and protect the ecosystem. Thank you one and all for your valuable time. Please do like, share, and subscribe.